The house I was born in. I'm not too sure if the lighting's going to be any good, but here we go.
All TV in there too.
Yeah. And this is the kitchen. The stove.
One second. Pull. There's a photo of Mom in there.
Yeah. This is where Papa and Yaya used to sleep. That's the old TV. Picture of my sister right there.
No.
Nothing in there. Saloniki. My sister. Mi to spije panu?
Daj.
First we'll go. Give it a look.
Okay.
That's where my dad used to work. Now we'll go into our room. When I was 16 years old, I used to sleep in this bed. Now it's slowly falling apart. That's the hole.
Open the phone upside up. Is the key.
All these things have been here since 40, 50 years, 60 years. Now we'll go into the Pericles room. There was a bat in here the other day we were here, but not here anymore.
Oh, it's here. Hiding.
See the,
Sorry?
no, see the roof. Go back down.
Stairs are a little bit tight.
Again.
I know.
One last look. The kitchen. And that's the tour of the old house.
Where my grandfather's from.
A short little walk. That's the church, the water fountain. Is all the frogs still in there?
Πήγαινα να πάρω το ξάδερφο. Το ξάδερφο και τον ανιψιό. Ναι, ναι. Τώρα τους έχω στο παλιό το χωριό, ναι. Είχαμε λίγο. Τι κάνεις? Έλα. Σου είδε, Τετάρτη.
This is in front of the church.
Δεν ξέρω, θα σε πάρω σε λίγο γιατί λίγο θα κάνω το βίντεο, θα με βγει τη φωνή. Καλά,
Now we're going into the church of MAVROKAMBOS. The church that all of us were baptized in. Behind the church now. Can you open it?
Yeah, it's a book only.
Very nice. Side is about 35 degrees, and in here it feels like it's 20 degrees. So much cooler. There's a big cross up there. So that's a little tour of our church in the town of MAVROKAMBOS. And just go for a little short walk down here, see if we see anything. All the houses are falling down, so not much to see anymore. That was the government office building. That's still standing. Houses in the background. Some more big houses. I think this is where the old school used to be. What my dad used to tell me.